respect to that. Yeah, if you go to maybe the other example with respect to the length is going to be given number of the characters in a string. That's it. So we have total number of the length or the total number of the characters we have as a 5. So that is the reason we are getting as a 5. The total number of the length with respect to this cell also corresponding to that. The total number of the string is corresponding to that is a 3. And see, similarly, you can also specify with respect to the any kind of the cells you want to be. You can also operate by using the lower. What it does, convert all into the lowercase format. Okay, if you want to be specified hello in the uppercase, or maybe in this case, some of the characters kind of the uppercase and also the lowercase, it will directly throw into the lowercase and it will convert from you can say convert from uppercase to lowercase. If you go and check out some of the examples in this case, it will going to throw as values with respect to that, and uppercase of the characters then be changed to the lowercase. We have also the uppercase. So this is a very you can say reverse of order with respect to that. Whatever the lowercase characters we have, it will convert to the uppercase. So if we have this example hello, this is in the lowercase, it will convert into the uppercase. Like that, we are going to be just mentioned with respect to that. Special characters also will be allowed, but what will happen? It may not be change anything such specific kind of order. Something called as a proper, what it does, it will capitalize the first character and it will go and give as a similar kind of the results. So this is some of the excels we have going to be showcased. You can also see these are some of the text we are going to be showcased with respect to that. It's going to be give as the same results with respect to that. And just to operate, and first character is going to be, you can say first character is going to be capital, and second all the characters going to be with the same manner. And something called as a find, you can see here, find will going to be help us to search any kind of element, to search any kind of the text with respect to the text strings we have. It will go and search with respect to the column or specified, or you can set within the text. So the basic syntax of the find is find and find text within the text, and the number of start number, what is the start number we're going to be specified. So if you're going to be specified with a range of the find so you're going to be find some text in A2. So in this Excel as a word in this, so you are going to be specified as a E. So it will go and return the find specified the text with another text. Okay, so you can also see that we are just finding with occurrences of the E in the text. It does not give as the start number, but it uses as some default number as a 1. Similarly, you can see the find with respect to finding a E corresponding to the value of E2. So whenever you're going to be showcased as a 1, okay, that is the start number. So if you are going to be returned with respect to the first occurrences of the E in the Excel specified, the start number is going to 1 in this case. Similarly, find some of the first occurrences of the E in this Excel, and in this Excel only. So note that what will happen, the find in this case is a very sensitive, because we have is the capital and also the smaller. So it will return the 4, because the small is having very matching with this kind of the number. It's somewhat case sensitive. Okay, so you can see them, we are just matching with B2 and A2. So B2 value having E and the A2 value having you can say Excel. So in this case, first occurrences of the E is going to be specified with corresponding to that. That is a 1 result. And you can also see find B2 A3 comma 2. That means we are just specified the text and also the within the text, and the starting number is 2. So it will find occurrences the value B2. Okay, you find the occurrences value of the B2, which is E, and but starts within the second string, and it does not mean it does not count the first E, and it also the count the first E as well, and but it is ignored the starting from the second onwards. So, okay, so we are going to be specified with corresponding to these values. That is the reason we are getting as 11. And we have another operator with respect to the Excel replace as an operator. This is going to be very helpful whenever you want to be replace some old text to the new text. You can also directly use maybe Control H. That is also going to be help us to replace some of the characters with corresponding to it. This window is going to be very helpful when compared to directly doing these operators. Okay. So you can also search by using Control F. This is also very works out. If you want to be replaced with anything, Control H. This is a replace with that old text and the new value. Yeah, the same syntax what we just discussed. Old text and also the new number you're going to be specified in the start range and also the whatever the new text we have. So we have you can see that we have this we want to replace. Okay, we want to replace some number, or you can say A B C D kind of the number we're going to be replaced. Some eight yeah, so for 5 is the starting number and 4 is the number of the characters we have, and this is some new text. So we are going to be replace the text with corresponding to this number of the formation. Yeah, you can say it will starts with fifth character. It will starts with fifth character, replace E and replace the 4 characters and EFGH, and within it's going to be given as an asterisk symbol. Similarly, it will do the other operations, whatever you want to be specified. If you want to specify it in the reverse order, it may not be works out. It will be going to be specified in any start number or the number of characters. It may not be works out with respect to the